The University of Sheffield is one of the best regarded universities in the UK and is consistently positioned in the top 75 in the World University Rankings. The university has 27,000 students from 117 countries and was this year voted number 1 in the Times Higher Education Student Experience Awards. The university was keen to modernise its print infrastructure. This is why Sharp provides managed print services. Dr. Christine Sexton, Director of Corporate Information and Computing Services at the University of Sheffield, explores some of the issues and explains the benefits of Sharp's solution.
So the university is located on the edge of the city centre. We have a very wide range of buildings in the university, hundreds of them, some of them dating back to 1828 when we opened, and some very modern new ones. So a wide range of environments that we have to provide services to. And when we did an audit of our printing, we discovered about 3,000 printers out there, all different makes, requiring different toners, different cartridges, different maintenance regimes. And we knew at that point we had to do something about it. The university went into partnership with Sharp, and between January 2014 and March 2014, we rolled out 600 printers, 300 A3, 300 A4 multifunction devices that replaced the 3,000 printers that we'd already got across campus. The multifunction devices are what they say, they multifunction. So you can scan, copy, print, scan to email from them, rather than just print, which is what you could before. The day after printers were installed in departments, we had staff in the departments helping them to use them and training them. And we left their old printers there for a month before we went and took them away. And all of the old printers were donated to a charity who work with vulnerable people in Sheffield. The service was much better than it was before because we allowed people to implement follow me printing, which means you can press print and then collect your print from any device anywhere over campus. And we're just now implementing mobile printing. So what happens if your printer goes wrong? Well, as well as the fleet manager on site, we have 2 Sharp engineers who are ready to respond to any call. If a printer goes wrong, which it does rarely, staff can ring our help desk who log the call with Sharp and they can go out and fix it. They also do a lot of proactive monitoring, so they know when printers are running out of toner.
Since the introduction of MSP, we have had a dramatic reduction in the amount of paper that we have to order. Previously, people would send things to the printers all over the buildings, and it would sit there remaining uncollected.
One advantage of the MSP that many people are enjoying now is the scanned email facility. We just go up to the printer, swipe a card, and it knows to send it direct to our email address.
My team provides frontline support to all of our users and research departments in the faculty. Since the introduction of MSP, staff really haven't had to think about how to print. It's very straightforward to install the client, and once installed, it's simply a matter of printing from the application. This has been fantastic and allowed me to devote extra resources to other support activities within the faculty. Also, the versatility of the system allows an individual to print from their PC and pick up the output from one of 600 machines on campus. The additional security aspects of the system are great. It ensures that output is only delivered when a user authenticates via their swipe card at the machine. Should anyone have difficulties with printing, then they contact the KICS help desk as normal, and it's great that we have Sharp actually on site to deal with these problems directly. Sharp themselves are actually very amenable to users and departments and groups actually feeding back about features they'd like to see or actually suggestions for the existing service.
So how much does this cost the university? Well, actually nothing. We're saving about £1 million a year in printing costs. We've reduced our energy consumption by 80% and we've reduced our carbon consumption from 24 tonnes a year to 5 tonnes a year.
And this is why the University of Sheffield chose Sharp.